Hi guys, it is March 27th, 2026. William here, and we just got our budgie birds. Here they are. One of them is panting from the stress of the move. They cost me $45 each. And I got a mineral stone there for calcium. They need calcium. And I got their food and their water already, so it wasn't much trouble. I had to fill out a form, give my name and my address and my phone number, and I filled that out. I don't know what I'll name them. They're really quiet right now, but they'll get noisier. I'll do a vlog once they're flying around the apartment. I'll leave them in the cage for now until they acclimatize, until they get used to their surroundings. Nice green budgies. There they are. See, the one on the right's panting. It's stressed out. They should be good pets. Keep me company. I have to get them a toy. I think I'll get them a toy. Something to play with to keep them stimulated. Cost me $137 in total for the two birds and the food and the mineral stone. So I'm doing good. And Kizzy came this morning and drove me to the PetSmart. We went up to the smoke shop first and got my smokes. Then we went to the PetSmart. I'm going to go grocery shopping on Monday. Oh, there it goes. So thanks to all my viewers and all my subscribers and all my commenters. And thanks for viewing the vlog. And I'll see you in the next vlog.